20. No. Yeah, $2,900. Hell, I can't even fucking switch over my bills with this. This was supposed to be the one that did them all. Nah, y'all playing with me. Y'all playing with me. Hell, but it's cool. In 6 months, when my other two cards limits go up, they gonna really be mad at me then. Like, Mr. Harper, we know what you did. Okay, of course y'all know what the fuck I did. It's all legal. What? Shouts out to my president. You know what I'm saying? My president is black. Always has been, always will be. Because that motherfucker told me how to do it. Oh, it's just me and me in here. Let me go get me in here some more. Because I don't like being by just me and one of myself. I gotta have a variety of me. Shouts out to me being a variety pack. What Tech Nine say? Kick it with myself. Kick it with myself. That's what I'm gonna be doing this weekend for the 4th. I think my parents is going out of town. If not, they might be staying here. Hell, who cares either way? Because I ain't fucking with them. Hey, you did? You said I ain't fucking with them. That's why I'm rapping different. There we go. Continue, 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 continue. There we go. I don't like that popcorn ain't got nobody in this chat shit like I don't know nobody. Hell, I network too much. But then again, that 420 video on Wednesday, it kind of does ruin my fucking surprise for me being live at 6. Not really a surprise though, for because the people that know already know I'm gonna be here. I might be a minute or two late if I am. You know, he taking time to pick my thumbnail sometimes. You know how the thumbnail game is. It gotta be something people might want to click on. Hell, if you put it up and you wouldn't click on it, the hell, what make you think other people would click on it? I think I used one of the cultivation channel's thumbnails for its upcoming video, but that's the good thing about it all being within my own brand is I can use my shit accordingly. You know what I'm saying? I can use it accordingly. I ain't gotta make a new thumbnail when I made a thumbnail yesterday. Does it apply? It doesn't matter. Hell, it looked good. There's no video topic here, so what am I gonna say? We don't care about what Charleston White has to say. Hell, that short video I did with him being in all that police gear didn't get no love on Spider Pig. It maybe got 10, 15 views, but hell, Spider Pig been popping here lately. That's why he got that 12 hundo. Technically, it's 13 now because you know he's steady going up now. He done, hey, I put that cheat code in and now he going his way, right? Shout out to winning the game because that's what it's all about. Are you winning? Because if not, you better show enough be happy being a fucking loser. But it is a lot of happy losers out there, so you know, big ups to them. Hell, they say you can't buy happiness. That's why they just happy being losers. Well, I can't buy happy, so I had to be happy with what I had, and it wasn't shit. Hey, that be sounding fucked up though. Shouts out to that. That's funny, because once again, I catch myself saying shots out a lot now. See, as soon as I get over saying the shit, somebody just has to put that thought back in my head. Shots out to not talking to people. This is why I be silent half the damn time. I'm lying. I don't ever be quiet. Even inside my head, I got 4 people talking to me right now. What you gonna talk about? Well, we didn't have a video topic today, so we just gonna fucking wing it. We gonna wing it? Speaking of wings, shouts out to DJ Tanya Rad. Nay, she keep putting these chicken wings up on her fucking page. I think she's trying to get me to come to Georgia. Georgia? Them wings be looking like some wings and things. I'm gonna clip that too, because that, hey, shouts out to that big homie Tanya. She be having them plates looking good. Hell, chicken wings so good make you want to slap your